When you're running into problems with your bathtub drains, sometimes they just don't. If the stopper is still attached, before you can remove the drain, you're going to have to remove the stopper. Have to take a Phillips head screwdriver if that's what's holding it. It may be an idle type of different type of screw or idle screw or something, but you're going to have to unscrew that. Get this screw out of there, and this is going to lift up. You can be ready to go to work from there. Want to stop the water anymore. These don't seal anymore. The gasket may be missing out of here, and they're just not functioning like you want it to. You want to take them out, and to get them out, you may have a problem. They may not have. Some of it may be missing. Like this is completely gutted, and to get them out can be a problem unless you have this tool here, this bathtub drain removal tool. It's designed to be tapped down in there, and you twist, and that should knock your drain loose. And if you don't need that one, then this one will be my next choice if you have all of the little stems down in there. This tool fits different sizes, has two different edges on it, two different sizes, and it's designed to fit right down in there. Take a grip of those, you can see from this end, and you can be able to get the drain out that way. And if that's too small, the other end is bigger. But this tool here, is designed if your drain don't have that, or they're missing. This tool is designed to set down in there. You're going to kind of tap it, take a socket wrench, put on there, and turn to get it out. This is a 1-inch socket. It goes over this tool. It's about a 1-inch socket. It goes over this tool. And then you're going to need a ratchet. Not this size, but this is just so you can see what it looks like. And this is what's going to get that out of there. Once you set it down in there, apply a little pressure to it. And this is what's going to get that drain out. That's how that tool works. The long one here. So I'm going to take it and set it down in there. And we're going to turn. I'm going to take a screwdriver. I'm sorry, I forgot to. It has some holes in the side where you can take a screwdriver to give you some leverage to be able to turn it. And I believe you want to turn to the right. Push it. Maybe the other way. I'm pushing with my right hand toward the tub. Let's flip it over to the other side. Pull. See, it's turning. Let's switch it over. plumber's putty. Just a little bit in your hands there. And just rub it together. And wrap it around the replacement drain. This is not a new one, just one that someone else gotten rid of, and it's still in good shape to me. I'm going to put that around there. Some of it's going to ooze out, but just make sure you got it covering the whole base of that. Just like that. Make a nice seal. And you're pretty much just going to screw that back down in there. You can use your tool. See it oozing out. It's normal. Just nice and slow. You don't want to bust the plastic threads over there. Just so it's nice and slow. You can get the excess off there. And then we're going to take and put our, now this particular cap here, this one just screws in. It doesn't have a place where you can actually screw it out. So just going to get it locked in place and set it in there and just turn. Screw it down until it stops. And there you go. So here we have our brand new drain installed. No problem.